So finally, Miui 13 running Android 12 has been officially released today. It was launched with the new series of Xiaomi Mi 12 devices. But the good news today is for Poco F3 users, whether you're using the international version, Indian, which is Mi 11X, whether you're using EU, Russia, Indonesia, whichever one you're using, whether you're on custom ROM, Android 11 or custom ROM, Android 12. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move from wherever you are and test the new Miui 13 on your Poco F3. Now that's exciting. So if you're ready for this, come, let me show you how to do this. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Report, and I'm so excited about this one. Miui 13 has been released officially for Poco F3, actually Redmi K40, which is still the same for Poco F3. The global release will happen in January 2022, so it should be around mid-January. So if you cannot wait till then and you want to test out the new rich features of the Miui 13 running Android 12, then get ready. Let's just go in and show you. Now, first of all, if you are using any other device that's not Redmi K40 and you want to do this, you have to have an unlocked bootloader. So you can check the cards right now. I've already done a video on how to unlock bootloader safely without any stress. So if you have that right now, if you're already on custom ROM already, you have unlocked bootloader. So let's go in and show you how to get this thing started. Okay, so we're going to start first with downloading Redmi K40 Fastboot Rom from Xiaomi firmwareupdater.com. Now, Redmi K40 is the Chinese version of Poco F3. So you're going to select ROM and then go to archive so you can see the list of all the ROM. We're going to look for the Fastboot ROM, the latest Fastboot ROM, the staple one, and then we're going to download it. So the good thing about Chinese version of Miui ROM is that they have English. So if you can understand English, you can change your language to English and everything will be fine. Next up will be to download Xiaomi Mi Flash Tool. And this is where I had a lot of problem. From the website, the latest one is 2018. And I downloaded it and it caused me a lot of problem. I didn't even try a 2020 on. From opening it, it was giving me problem, no log folder inside it. The flashing experience, it did flash and then ended with error, and I was stuck in bootloader because of custom res error. Thanks to Poco F3 Telegram group, the admins sorted me the latest 2021 Mi Flash Tool. I'm going to put the link in the description. Please delete, do not use any 2018, 2019, 2020 Mi Flash Tool. You're going to run into boot loop and you may not know how to come out from it. So it's very, very important you use the latest Mi Tool. The link will be in the description for you to get that started. Then, are you on custom ROM? Let me beg you in the name of God or whatever you hold dearly, do not try to return to stock Miui from custom ROM with custom recovery like TWRP or any other thing. I tried it and it was painful. I was on Android 12 and I was trying to come back to stock ROM and it was just error upon error upon error. The only way you can do that successfully is using Xiaomi Mi Flash Tool and the latest one. So once you've downloaded the latest one, which the link will be in the description, you're going to extract it. I use 7-zip. So when you extract it straight, it's a simple file about 80 MB. You open it, then it's always important to run it as administrator. It already have a fastboot files and everything, so you run it as administrator. Once you run that as administrator, you should be able to get started and use it. So that's that. So after you've opened it, you go to your phone, turn off your phone, and then press the power and the volume up button, and then you boot into fastboot mode and you'll be ready to go. When you're in fastboot mode, just click on refresh. If the drivers are well installed, you will see the serial number of your phone on the screen. Now let's go to the Fastboot Rom. Now whether you're using EU, every Fastboot Rom works the same way. It's a TGS file. So first of all, now watch this because many people may have problem here. You have to extract the first file, and inside the first file you extracted, there will be another file inside it that you also have to extract, where you now have all the full details. So very, very, very important. So this is the first extraction. Now after it is done, you open it again, you see another image file. Now this one is now tar file, and then we are going to extract this tar file now so that we can now see all the images and all the things that we are supposed to use to flash. So you must make sure that you do this step by step, these two steps of extracting the file TGS and then the tar file. So now this is where we have all the scripts, the images that we are going to flash. So I encourage you to check all the script, whether they are there, the flash, all that, and then go to see whether the image, boot image, system image, and all of them. You just check whether all of them are there before you go in and put it into My Flash Tool. So once this is okay, make sure you know where the folder is. Click on select, navigate to the root folder. Do not select images, just pick the root folder and say okay. So when you say okay, now another important thing to do is to know that you have to select clean all, not clean all and lock. If you're coming from custom ROM and click on clean all and lock, your device might be bricked. So once you select clean all and then you hit flash, it will start flashing. So I will give you another information of an error that you might meet this time. That doesn't really mean that you didn't flash well, but it's just a configuration setting. So it will take some time, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on speed of your system that you're using or whatever. So see, this null error is very simple. Now, even with the null error, the Fastboot Rom flashed and the system came up. So the bonus I'm going to give you a little bonus how to clear this null error before I move to the concluding part, where you now download the latest Miui 13 and how you can flash it straight from recovery. So to clear this null error that happens, even though we flashed successfully, you're going to go to the configuration setting. So it just means that there is something you need to clear up in the configuration. It's a checkpoint settings. So you just click on configuration here and then go to My Flash configuration. That checkpoint here, Fastboot -S lock, just clear it off and say okay, and then you are good to go. You will probably not see that error again. If you go back and refresh, that error will be gone and you already flashed. So once we flashed now let's go in quickly and then let's show the next part. The link to Miui 13 for Poco F3, that's Redmi K40, it will be in the description. So go in now to your phone, about phone, and then tap on the three menu. You will not see an option to install from internal package. Click 10 times on the Miui icon, and then you will now be able to move from this latest package to choose update package. So with that, now you can go to the folder where you downloaded the Poco F3 Miui 13, and then you click on it and then you install it and you're good to go and experience the Poco F3 Miui 13. So until I see you next time, peace.